Hello, welcome to how to solve this very nice algebra equation. X plus 3 whole to the power 6 is equal to 2 to the power 6. We need to find all possible values of x. First of all, we move this 2 to the power 6 to the left side. X plus 3 to the power 6. This positive 2 to the power 6 becomes negative 2 to the power 6 at left side is equal to 0. Now x plus 3 to the power, we can write this 6 as 3 times 2 minus 2 to the power, we can write this 6 as 3 times 2 is equal to 0. Now we can write this x plus 3 to the power 3 times 2 as x plus 3 to the power 3 and whole to the power this 2 minus, we can write this 2 to the power 3 times 2 as 2 cubed whole to the power this power 2 is equal to 0. Now we have difference of two squares, so we can write this expression as x plus 3 cubed plus this 2 cubed times x plus 3 cubed minus 2 cubed is equal to 0. Now from here, either this expression x plus 3 cubed plus 2 cubed is equal to 0, or this expression x plus 3 cubed minus 2 cubed is equal to 0. So we have two cases here. We name this case 1, and this is case 2. First we solve this case 1. In case 1, we have this expression x plus 3 cubed plus 2 cubed is equal to 0. Now according to this algebraic identity, a cubed plus b cubed is equal to a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. This expression can be written as x plus 3 plus 2 times x plus 3 squared minus 2 times x plus 3 plus 2 squared is equal to 0. Next, x plus 3 plus 2 5 times this x plus 3 whole squared is equal to x squared plus 6x plus 9. Negative 2 times x negative 2x, and negative 2 times plus 3 negative 6 plus 2 squared is 4 is equal to 0. Next, x plus 5 times x squared, this plus 6x minus 2x plus 4x, and this plus 9 minus 6 plus 4 plus 7 is equal to 0. Now from here, either this expression x plus 5 is equal to 0, or this expression x squared plus 4x plus 7 is equal to 0. From here, x is equal to negative 5. This is the first value of x. Now this is a quadratic equation, and in this equation a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 7. And according to quadratic formula, x is equal to negative 4 plus or minus square root of value of b 4 squared minus 4 times value of a 1 times value of c 7 divided by 2 times value of a 1, and x is equal to negative 4 plus or minus square root of 4 squared is 16 minus 4 times 1 times 7, 28 divided by 2, and x is equal to negative 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 28, negative 12 divided by 2. Next, x is equal to negative 4 plus or minus square root of, we can write this negative 12 as 4 times 3 times negative 1 divided by 2, and x is equal to negative 4 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 3 times square root of negative 1 is I divided by 2. Next, x is equal to, now from here we can factor out 2 as a common factor, and in bracket left negative 2 plus or minus I times square root of 3 divided by 2. Now this 2 will be cancelled with this 2, and from here we get two values of x. x2 is equal to negative 2 plus I times square root of 3, and x3 is equal to negative 2 minus I times square root of 3. So for now we get three values of x. Now to find other three values, we solve case 2. In case 2 we have x plus 3 whole cubed minus 2 cubed is equal to 0. In case 2 we have x plus 3 whole cubed minus 2 cubed is equal to 0. Now according to this algebraic identity, a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. This expression can be factorized as x plus 3 minus 2 times x plus 3 squared plus 2 times x plus 3 plus 2 squared is equal to 0. Next, x 3 minus 2 plus 1 times x plus 3 whole squared is equal to x squared plus 6x plus 9, and 2 times x plus 2x and plus 2 times plus 3 plus 6 plus this 2 squared is 4 is equal to 0. Next, x plus 1 times x squared, this 6x plus 2x plus 8x, and this plus 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 4 plus 19 is equal to 0. Now from here either this expression x plus 1 is equal to 0, or this expression x squared plus 8x plus 19 is equal to 0. and from here x is equal to negative 1. This is the fourth value of x, and from this quadratic equation a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 8 and c is equal to 19. According to quadratic formula, x is equal to negative value of b 8 plus or minus square root of value of b 8 squared minus 4 times value of a 1 times value of c 19 divided by 2 times value of a 1, and x is equal to negative 8 plus or minus square root of 8 squared is 64 minus 4 times 1 times 19 76 divided by 2 times 1 2, and x is equal to negative 8 plus or minus square root of 64 minus 76 negative 12 divided by 2. Next, x is equal to negative 8 plus or minus square root of, we can write this negative 12 as 4 times 3 times negative 1 divided by 2. Next, x is equal to negative 8 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 3. This square root of negative 1 is I divided by 2. Now from here we can factor out 2. X is equal to 2 as a common factor, and in bracket left negative 4 plus or minus I times square root of 3 divided by 2. Now this 2 will be cancelled with this 2. We get two values of x. x5 is equal to negative 4 plus I times square root of 3, and value of x6 is equal to negative 4 minus I times square root of 3, and value of x4 is equal to negative 1, and value of x3 is equal to negative 2 minus I times square root of 3, and value of x2 is equal to negative 2 plus I times square root of 3, and value of x1 is equal to negative 5. So these are the 5 solutions of this equation.